The author of these videos got 22 million views. Of course, it's all thanks to the popularity of Stranger Things and its final season. Today I'll teach you how to make these videos in just 10 minutes using two AI tools, Nano Banana Pro and KLING AI. Stick around until the end and I'll show you how to take part in the community of AI enthusiasts. Creating this content has become incredibly easy because AI now knows the faces of every popular character. You can simply say, draw Labuba in a rap or rock style, and it's done. You should definitely use this. Let the actor's fame work for you. The creator of these videos didn't just get views, he placed products in every clip, turning entertainment into effective ads. Brands get exposure and creators get paid. Now is the perfect time to enter the AI video niche. Technology is moving so fast that in a couple of months it might be too late to catch up. Let's get started. I'm using my custom GPT prompt engine to write top-tier prompts. I highly recommend it regardless of your AI skills. You can find the link in the description in our AI creator community. The idea is simple. We want Stranger Things characters as dangerous rappers. I prefer using voice input to ask the prompt engine for a sequence of prompts that trigger emotions and include some inside jokes. I'll use Higgsfield, but any service with Nano Banana Pro and KLING AI will work. We paste the first prompt and generate the image. Just look at this. Steve is wearing a mom chain because he's always looking after the kids, and a pet Demogorgon. This is top tier stuff. You can find more cool AI ideas in our community. Now we take the second prompt and use the first image as a reference. This is crucial. Even if the characters aren't mentioned in every prompt, we must keep the faces and environment consistent. You'll see why in a moment. We generate all the frames and move to the video section. We'll use the frame-to-frame transition feature. In the video tab, select KLING 2.5 Turbo, adjust the settings and create the transitions one by one. The result? A seamless video with consistent characters from different camera angles. This is why using references is so important. If you want to make better videos, learn from the best, and grow with successful people, join our AI creator community. 3,500 members are already learning and building strong connections in this growing industry.